So hello guys, welcome back to the video, and today we are back again with another series of videos wherein I'll be teaching you guys how to install Power BI, how to create dashboards, how to publish dashboards, how to import data from various data sources, and all that stuff about Power BI. Now the first thing that we are doing is we are installing the software first. So this whole video is about installing Power BI. So in order to install Power BI, the first thing you need is Microsoft Store. Now when you are inside Microsoft Store, just go ahead and search for Power BI in the search bar. You will see all these options: Power BI Desktop, Power BI Report Builder, Power Apps, all these things. The thing that we want is Power BI Desktop. So just go ahead, click on it and hit install. Now it is going to take some time to install because the file size is around 750 MBs and the overall disk size it's about 2.3 GBs. So yeah, you must have enough space on your C drive in order to install Power BI Desktop. And for now, let's just wait. There you go, we have it installed. Just go ahead, click on open to open the software. And when you open the software, you'll see a screen like this wherein you get all these options of importing your data source. You can start with a blank report, you can import the data through OneLake, Excel workbooks, SQL servers, and all that stuff. We get a recommendation for an intro video about what is Power BI, and then below you'll get all your reports that you have recently created. Now this video is done for now, and in the upcoming video we'll be learning and knowing more about the screen, the UI that is there, and we'll be learning about all these tabs, what all these options, what all these buttons do, what are all these interesting kind of visuals we have here, and all this stuff it's going to be covered in the next video. So till then, have a good day. Bye.